Hello Grumpies, Jason here, GrumpyHare instructor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add in your audio nibbles, format it a little bit so it looks nice, prime, and proper. Alright, to start this off, I'm going to be on a page. This can be your home page, any page will do. What I'm going to show is how to get this added onto your header, and then how you can add in an audio file. Now, if you recently purchased the template, it will already be there. This is for if you don't have it here. So, first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to hit the plus button at the top here. From here, I am going to go to rows, and then I'm going to add a 2-column row. I'm going to click and drag this. I'm going to drag it so the 2 columns fit above this header. Now, I'm going to eventually replace this header, but I'm just going to keep this as is for now. After we have that here, I'm going to put my mouse in the middle and I'm going to click and drag that over so that there's just a bit more room for this header to sit. Then I'm going to actually take this header and I'm just going to throw it in here. After that header has been thrown in, I'm going to just increase this a little bit to make sure that it fits on one line. After I have it in there, I'm going to click inside here, and then I'm going to make sure that this is right aligned. If it's center aligned, just make sure to hit right aligned. Alright, just this a little bit more, and then I'm going to throw in, by hitting the plus button again, the audio nibbles. I'm going to go to modules. I'm going to go to AudioNibbles, click, drag, and I'm going to slot it in there. From there, I can add in an audio file. This accepts MP3 here for English audio. So I'm going to go to add audio file. Then I'm going to click on the audio file I already uploaded. If you wish to add a new audio file that's an MP3, you can go ahead and go to upload files, then you can select your file or drag and drop it in here. I've already done that process, so I'm just going to choose this one here and add to audio playlist, update audio playlist, and there it is. Now, a couple of things I want to do to it. Go to advanced section, go to margin, and I'm just going to set these all to 0 for now, just to see what it looks like. I'm going to head over here to my header, and I'm going to also set that to 0. Actually, I'm going to bring that back up a little bit. I'm going to set it to 15. So right now what I'm doing is just adjusting the space to make sure that there's enough space here. I'm going to do the same thing for my audio nibbles. Give that more space. There we go. Perfect. I'm going to set the right margin down to 0. Actually, I'm going to set it to about 5. There we are. So with that set in place, I'm going to done and publish it. Now, it may look a little bit strange, as you can see here, because We Buy Houses in Wilton, Connecticut still isn't on one line. So if you run into an issue like this, where your city and state is still too long, then you'll just need to adjust it a little bit more. So in this case, in order for me to get Wilton, Connecticut to fit in one line, I'm just going to continue to stretch this out. I'm going to continue stretching it out to right about here. There. Done. Publish. Then I'm going to take a look at it. And there it is. Now if you give this a play.
We buy houses in Wilton, Connecticut. Sell your house in Wilton to us and skip the entire listing process. No fees, no closing cost, no repairs to make, 100% free. Learn how our house buying process works. We buy houses in Wilton, Connecticut with cash, giving us the ability to close on your property within weeks rather than months. No delays and no official inspections. We are the decision makers. We can and we will buy your house in cash.
Perfect. And that is the same exact way you can do it on any header. You can do the same process. You can also repeat this if you wish to do it in Spanish as well. So how about it? Stay grumpy. We'll see you in the next one.